Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathelite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 4B from chapter expansions. So starting with question number 13, expand first part 3x plus 5y plus 2z into 3x minus 5y plus 2z. Second part 3x minus 5y minus 2z into 3x minus 5y plus 2z. So we'll write down the first part ka question first, okay? 3x plus 5y plus 2z. 3x minus 5y plus 2z. Okay. Now students, we know identities only for two terms. Okay. We know the identities of cubes, squares of two terms only. ठीक है, normally there is a b or a and 1 upon a or x and 1 upon x, something like that, or 2b and 3z and something like that. Okay, so there are two terms normally and you square it or cube it or something like that. Over here there are three terms in each bracket. So what you will do in this case, observe both the brackets. In both the brackets, let us check if the terms are same. Okay, जो ये bracket में terms है वही terms ये bracket में होना चाहिए. So 3x 3x, 5y 5y, 2z 2z. So terms are same. Now let us check the signs of the terms. Plus 3x plus 3x. So I'll write down. This is in first bracket, this is in second bracket. Plus 5y minus 5y. Plus 5y minus 5y. Plus 2z plus 2z. Now check which terms have same sign in both the brackets. 3x plus है, 3x plus है, so 3x is positive in both the brackets. So this is positive in both the brackets. This one is positive, this one is negative. So 5y is not having same sign in both the brackets. So we'll not consider this. 2z, 2z. It is having positive sign in both the brackets. So what we will do? We will group this and this and this and this. In first bracket group 3x 2z, in second bracket also group 3x and 2z. Okay, in both the brackets your grouping should be same. In first bracket these two terms are there, so in second bracket also these two terms only should be grouped. Okay, 3x plus 2z, 3x plus 2z. So we'll group 3x and 2z. Okay, so in short I'm just rearranging the terms. ठीक है, whether I write 2 plus 3 minus 5 or if I write 2 minus 5 plus 3, answer तो 0 ही है. Okay, answer is going to come 0. So it does not matter whether you are writing the terms before or after. Okay, now we will group these two and same thing in the other bracket. Okay, same terms group करना है. So consider terms with same signs in both the brackets. These terms should have same signs in both the brackets. So 3x has same sign in both the brackets, 2z has same sign in both the brackets. So 3x plus 2z plus 5y. Okay, I've written this together. Same thing over here. 3x plus 2z minus 5y. Okay, now what we will do, students, there are still three terms over here even after arranging. 3x plus 2z, 3x plus 2z, इसकी जगह पे I'll substitute some other variable. Okay, so let 3x plus 2z be equal to a. We'll consider it to be equal to some variable, some letter. Okay, you can take m, you can take p, you can take n, depends. Okay, so I have taken a over here. So in place of 3x plus 2z, I'll substitute a. Okay, so in place of two terms, now I'm taking only one term. Okay, so substituting 3x plus 2z equal to a in this. ठीक है, so let us make the substitution. Okay, now so we are substituting a in place of this. इसकी जगह पे a, इसकी जगह पे a. So there is a plus 5y, a minus 5y. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay, recall the identity. A plus b into a minus b, it is a square minus b square. So it has become so simpler now. So a square minus 5y square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, now a square will remain as it is. 5 का square 25 and y का square y square. Okay, so we got a square minus 25y square. Now don't stop over here. You need to resubstitute the value of a. A is 3x plus 2z. So we'll resubstitute 3x plus 2z now. Okay, this is simplified now. Brackets open हो गया. We got expanded form. So this is expanded form but not in original form. We need to bring this in original form. Original form में there is 3x 2z. So we need to substitute that. So we'll resubstitute the value of a over here. Okay, so resubstituting the value of a, so a is nothing but 3x plus 2z. So resubstituting the value of a. Okay, after this step you will write this. So a square minus 25y square is equal to, this is 3x plus 2z, the whole square. This whole thing is a. Okay, so in place of a you will write this, put brackets and then square it because it is a square. So a ka square is nothing but 3x plus 2z, the whole square, minus 25y square. This is of the form a plus b the whole square. Okay, so we'll expand this using the identity. So a square, that is 3x square, plus 2ab, so 2 into 3x into 2z, plus b square, so 2z the whole square, minus 25y square. So this will give 3 ka square 9, x ka square x square. Multiply the numbers here first. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and x z. 2 ka square 4, z ka square z square, minus 25y square. So this is the answer. Okay, you can group x square, y square and z square and then write this. Okay, does not matter in any form, this is correct. Okay, so this is the answer of the question. Coming to second part of the question, there are again two brackets. Okay, we'll write down the question first. Okay, so I'm not writing down the question, this is the question. All right, now again the same thing, there are three terms. So what we will do, check the terms. Okay, 3x 3x, 5y 5y, 2z 2z, so there are same terms. Okay, write down the terms. 3x 3x, 5y, 5y, 2z, 2z. Now write down the signs. Positive, positive. So same signs hai. Negative, negative, same signs. Negative, positive. So this one does not have same signs. So you will group two terms which are having same signs. Okay, so we'll group these two and group these two. They are already grouped. Okay, so we'll consider this and we'll substitute 3x minus 5y as b. Okay, you can take some other letter also, it does not matter. So I am taking 3x minus 5y as b over here. So let 3x minus 5y be equal to b. Okay, so we'll substitute this in place of 3x minus 5y. So substituting 3x minus 5y equal to b. Write down the question. 3x minus 5y minus 2z, 3x minus 5y plus 2z. We'll substitute b in place of this. So b minus 2z and b plus 2z. Everything else will remain as it is, just substitute in place of this. Okay. Now, this is again of the form a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b is in short a square minus b square. Okay. So, this is a square minus b square if we expand it. Okay. So, a square, that is b square minus a square minus b square. So b over here is 2z. This is a, this is b. So b is 2z over here. Put bracket square because there is coefficient associated with this variable. Okay, so not just the variable, you have to square the coefficient also. So a square minus b square. So b square minus 2 ka square 4, z ka square z square. So we got this. Now this is not in original form. Okay, in original form there is 3x, 5y, 2z. We have z over here, but where is x and y? So what we will do, we will resubstitute. B is nothing but 3x minus 5y. Okay, so we'll resubstitute the value of b. So resubstituting the value of b. Okay, this will become b square minus 4z square. In next step we will substitute 3x minus 5y in place of b. So 3x minus 5y, b square hai, so put brackets and square because this whole thing is equal to b. Okay, so this whole thing ka square because there is b square minus 4z square. Okay, this is of the form a minus b the whole square, so we'll use the identity. It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square minus 2ab okay plus b square, so 5y put bracket square minus 4z square, don't forget this. So a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 4z square. So this is equal to 3 ka square is 9, x ka square is x square, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Multiply the numbers first, xy plus 5 ka square 25, y ka square y square minus 4z square. This is the final answer. If you want to group the squares together, okay, you can write those terms before and then 30xy, but don't forget to put the correct signs in front of the terms. Okay, if you want to rearrange the terms once again, it will be like this: 9x square plus 25y square along with the signs. Okay, minus 4z square minus 30xy. Okay, so even this form is correct. If you want to express in this form, this is also correct. Let's read the next question. Question number 14. The sum of two numbers is 9 and their product is 20. Find the sum of their first part squares and second part cubes. Now this is a word problem. Okay, the sum of two numbers is 9 and their product is given, but we should know the numbers first. Okay, so what we will do, we will write the numbers as a and b. Let the numbers be a and b. Okay, you can take p, q, m, n, whatsoever. So let the two numbers be a and b. Okay, so let the two numbers be a and b. Now there are two conditions given. First one is the sum of two numbers is 9. The sum of a and b is 9. Okay, you can also write down sum of two numbers is 9, does not matter. Over here I have assumed them to be a and b, so I have directly written that. Sum matlab addition, so sum of the numbers, that is a and b, is matlab is equal to 9. Simple. Sum matlab addition of two numbers are a and b, is matlab is equal to 9. Okay, we got this. Now what is the other condition? Their product is 20, matlab the multiplication of the two numbers is 20, that is a into b is equal to 20. Okay, product matlab multiplication. So product of a and b is 20. So therefore a into b is equal to 20, that is ab is equal to 20. Okay, now we have to use this information to find sum of their squares and sum of their cubes. Students, read the question very very carefully. Sum of their squares प्लूरल है, मतलब दोनों का स्क्वायर्स है. ओके, सो सम ऑफ a square and b square, sum of their squares, we have to find this, and sum of their cubes, so sum of their cubes. Okay, now students, it is sum of their squares, not square of the sum. Square of the sum would be square of the sum. Sum करेंगे and then square करेंगे. यहाँ पे बोला गया है sum of their squares, so square it and then sum it, cube it and then sum it. If it is the other way around, square of the sum, then square of the sum. Okay, if it would be cube of the sum, then cube of the sum. Okay, read the question very very carefully. Sum of squares and sum of cubes. Also there is plural. Plural matlab there are two squares and two cubes. Okay, now let us find these two. Now we have to find a square plus b square. Sum of the squares find करना है in first part. Do we have identity for this? No. But what information do we have? We know a plus b is equal to 9. Okay, and ab is equal to 20. This is what we have. So what we will do? We will apply identity to this. How? By squaring it on both the sides. Why will I square? Because over here I need to find square. So what I will do? I will square this whole thing on both the sides. Okay, so a plus b is equal to 9. Now we'll square. So write down the LHS, put bracket square. Write down the RHS, put bracket square. Give reason squaring on both the sides. Very, very important. A plus b the whole square. Use the identity. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 9 ka square is 81. Alright. Now we know AB is 20. So we'll substitute the value. A square plus 2 into AB is 20 plus B square is equal to 81. 2 into 20, this will become 40 plus B square is equal to 81. So A square plus B square is equal to 81 minus 40. So A square plus B square is equal to 41. Box this, we got the value of A square plus B square. Same thing in second part. Sum of cubes find karna hai. Okay. So now what we will do? Same thing, we will consider this and cube it on both the sides. Okay. I need to find A cube plus B cube in second part. So do I have identity for this? Do I know identity? There are other identities, but I've told you there is no need to remember the identity separately for A cube plus B cube. Whole cube ka identity memorize karo, that is more than enough. Okay? So A plus B is equal to 9. Now we'll cube it on both the sides. So A plus B, the whole cube is equal to 9 cube. Cubing on both the sides, give reason. Now A plus B, the whole cube is nothing but A cube plus 3AB brackets A plus B cube using the identity expanded form. Okay? 9 ka cube, that is 729. Okay? Now A cube plus 3AB into A plus B. AB ka value I know is 20. A plus B is 9. So I'll just substitute the values. Okay. A cube plus 3 into AB is 20. A plus B is 9. Plus B cube is equal to 729. So A cube plus 3 2s are 6, 6 9s are, that is 54 and 0. Okay. Plus B cube is equal to 729. So A cube plus B cube is equal to 729 minus 540. This will become negative. We are shifting it on the other side. So it will give 189. So we found A cube plus B cube also. Box the answer.